Automation Direct offers a multi-axis adjustable mounting system from Swivellink. This product uses modular pieces to build an adjustable mounting system suited to your specific application. We offer standard and XS versions of these systems, and all parts have imperial and metric choices. The standard size can hold up to 30 pounds on the end of a 1-foot arm, while the XS or extra small variant allows 3 pounds at a foot. The smaller size of the XS series means less expensive hardware, as well as installation in tighter areas. Automation Direct also offers an adapting coupler to allow the use of XS and standard hardware in a single assembly if the application requires it. A basic assembly will attach a base to a mounting surface. Bases may be bolted to the surface or to a Swivellink clamp attached to the surface. A knuckle can then be attached to the base, and a link to the knuckle. A second knuckle will attach to the other end of the link, and then a second base to that knuckle. This second base will then have a mounting accessory attached to it. This mounting accessory is the primary way to achieve application flexibility. Mounting accessories include sensor mounts for use with 8mm, 12mm, 18mm, and 30mm threaded sensors. Automation Direct offers hundreds of different sensors that will work with these mounts. Other mounting accessories include plates designed to work with many different vision systems and lights, including Cognex, DALSA, and Keyence. These plates also allow mounting of Wengler vision lights from Automation Direct. We also offer a blank mounting plate that you can custom machine to attach your desired device. Just tap or through-bore holes in the plate and attach the sensor using the included bracket. The XS series offers a tripod-style camera mount, and the standard series has a VESA-compatible mounting plate. Automation Direct offers a dual-output T-knuckle and link. This T-knuckle and link allows attachment of 2 knuckle and link extensions, ideal for situations where you might have multiple sensors, or a light and a vision sensor interacting with the same part. The Swivellink mounting system also excels at batch-to-batch flexibility. Each knuckle comes with Allen head hardware to tighten the system. However, Automation Direct offers a clamp handle kit that can be used to replace one of those bolts. This will allow the user to loosen, adjust, and then retighten the mounting system into a new position for troubleshooting and commissioning, all without tools. All bases, knuckles, links, and plates include holes or slots to allow cables to be dressed through the mounting system. This minimizes the chance of damage to the cable from the normal wear and tear associated with an industrial environment. Automation Direct offers pre-packaged kits for basic applications to further simplify the ordering process. This ensures you get everything you need to begin using a single part number. In this application, we have a conveyor belt running parts by a vision inspection station. The HMI is mounted using a standard system with a VESA attachment. A Contronex 18mm photo eye detects the part's presence. The Wengler light illuminates the product, and a vision camera mounted to the XS tripod mount takes an image. This entire system easily mounts and adjusts using the Swivellink mounting system from Automation Direct. To find out more about Swivellink mounting systems, Wengler lights, or Datalogic vision sensors, click here. To view other videos on barcode, RFID, or vision systems, click here. To subscribe to our YouTube channel, click here.